Hey guys, let's talk about summer grooming essentials. What's up guys, welcome back to Gents Lounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. So summer is here, it is hot. There are gonna be a lot of pool and beach days in your future. Let's talk about summer grooming essentials. So these are gonna be things that you're gonna need to keep your skin hydrated, keep yourself looking fresh, smelling fresh, and enjoying summer. So up first on the list, I think this goes without saying, but sunscreen is a summer essential. So you should always be wearing sunscreen on your face all year round, but during the summer, it does help to apply all over your body so your skin is protected and you can protect yourself from those wrinkles. So you can either get the spray kind, the lotion, or even these little sticks that are made specifically for your face, which I like because the spray kind of gets everywhere when you're spraying it, and the lotion sometimes doesn't rub in as well as it should. So I do like this stick option because it goes on clear and you actually can feel how much you're applying, which works out very well. Up next on the list, we have hair product. So when I'm going to the beach or going to the pool and I know my hair is going to get wet, I tend to use a product that is not water-based. Because if you use a water-based product, as soon as you get your hair wet, it is going to wash out and there's going to be like a puddle of gel in the pool. So I try to find something that has a little bit of wax or beeswax base to it. So even if your hair gets wet, you'll still be able to kind of shape it in after you're getting out of the pool and it will still look somewhat styled. Now, if you don't want to do that and you are a water-based product guy, I do recommend finding some sort of texturizing or sea salt spray that you can spray in post-beach or post-pool just to kind of keep your hair looking somewhat put together and less frizzy. So if you go out to lunch or something after the beach or the pool, you will still look put together. Now moving on to the next couple of things, these have been provided by today's sponsor, MANSCAPED. So if you guys want to check out MANSCAPED, we have a link in the description below, which will also get you a discount. So I think this goes without saying, but deodorant, especially important in the summer when it is very hot. This is definitely an all year round essential, but especially when it is hot out, make sure you guys are applying that deodorant and smelling fresh. So up next on the list, we have the hydrating body spray from Manscaped. So this is just like a spray-on hydrating lotion for your skin. And one thing I love about it for summer is that it's super cool when you spray it on your body, like actually temperature cool. It is pretty cool in general, but temperature cool is what I'm talking about. So I like to spray this after I get home from the beach or the pool. Your skin's hot, you got a little sun, so everything's a little warm. When you spray this on, it sprays on super cool, so it's like a refreshing mist that is also hydrating your body. Another thing I always keep in my car, but I especially love to have during summer, is the crop mop, ball wipes, butt wipes, body wipes. Basically, if you've been walking around all day, tough day at work, sweating a little bit, and you need a quick refresh before you go out to drinks or go on to the next activity that you're doing, these come in as a lifesaver. So just pop one open, wipe it on, wipe the sweaty parts of your body, your pits, your balls, just kind of refresh everything. And it's not gonna feel as good as a shower, but it's probably the closest you're gonna get between work and drinks with the boys. So essential. And last but not least, from the Manscaped collection, we have the Ultra Smooth package. So this is basically a shaving kit for the lower half of your body. And I don't know about you guys, but when I'm going to the pool or the beach and I know I'm going to be shirtless more often than not, I do like to make sure everything is tight and trim and make sure I don't have a whole forest on my chest. So whether you're just trimming things up with the lawnmower or going perfectly clean with the Ultra Smooth package, Manscaped has something for everybody. So if you guys want to check out Manscaped, I have a link down below with a discount code for you. And once again, thanks to Manscaped for sponsoring videos like these, because it is sponsors like these that help us produce content for you guys on a regular basis and keep this channel going. So last but not least on the list, a summer essential for me is a summer fragrance. So two of my favorite scents for summer are one, Aventus from Creed, which I pretty much wear all year round because I live in Los Angeles and it's always about 75 to 80 degrees. So this works all year round for me. It is fresh, it has a nice note of pineapple in there, so a little bit of tropical. And if you know about this scent, you know that it is a very, very popular fragrance. And the second fragrance, definitely a little more budget friendly, the Lacoste L1212 Blanc. So as you can see, this bottle is a little beat up because I travel with it constantly. And this is fresh, clean. This is more of what I wear during the day, and Aventus would be more of what I would wear at night or going out to something a little more sophisticated. But this works very, very well in any situation if you can only get one. I highly recommend finding this at a local store, giving it a smell, and see what you think. So that pretty much wraps up the video on summer grooming essentials. I hope that was helpful for you guys. I hope you learned something. If I missed something in your summer grooming essentials, please leave a comment down below. I'm curious to see what you guys are doing this summer. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.